Hi, I'm Little Miss Daredevil. Today, I'm going to be reacting to When Your Stomach Growls During a Test, but with Timbuctoo characters. So, let's watch it. Here we go. Okay.
I don't know why, but my eyes burn. Did you try blinking? No. What class you learned that in? Oh, hey, Kevin. Hey, what's wrong with you?
Nothing, I'm fine. I just got a headache.
I mean, did you eat breakfast?
Nah, I was in a rush to leave out, so I didn't get a chance.
Oh, well, if you're hungry, I got snacks in my bag if you want some.
I appreciate it, but nah, I think I'll be fine. It's just 3 more hours until lunch anyways.
All right, don't say I didn't offer. Beautiful students, today's y'all favorite time of the month, test day. We're gonna get started early today. Y'all tests is already on your desk. When I say start, you may flip them over and begin. When I say start, start. Start. He said start. Oh, we starting it? Mm-hmm. No! What are y'all doing? So no then?
This is actually getting funny.
Until I say the word, I don't want to hear any talking or noise of any kind. If I hear anything besides those pencils and that paper, we're gonna have a problem. Obviously, I'm not in the mood for it today. Do we got that clear? I say, do we got that clear? Yes, never. All right then, you may all begin.
So did we start it?
I don't think so.
He didn't say start.
Start. There it is. See?
Okay.
That's what we was
Okay.
waiting for.
Uh-oh.
I'm sorry, you're gonna have to keep it down. I'm trying to do my test, and you're being very inconsiderate right now.
Yeah, I think I'll take those snacks now. Too late. Already gave them to Gina.
Really? Oh, no. Uh-oh.
Okay, let me find out who it is. I know y'all know, but y'all not telling me. I said no noises. I meant no noises. So don't let me find out who the culprit is. Okay, well, I must have stopped. Okay, well, everybody get back to work.
Okay. This is really funny.
So I've been sitting next to Kevin this entire time, and I got 100% say it can't be him. Well, what do you have to say about this, Kevin? To be honest, I think it's Ryan.
Really?
Yeah, I can agree on that. Yeah, she's been kind of sus. Very sus. Well, Gina, what you got to say about that? Well, I guess that says it. All in favor to kick out Gina? Aye, sir. Yeah, aye. All right, then. Now stay calm as I grab your leg.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. It's him.
It wasn't me. Don't you
This is really funny.
So I think you are. Oh, I'm not playing these games.
Oh, no.
Okay, so now it's finished. Now,
He kicked out me out.
distractions. Look, y'all only got 20 minutes left in class. Just get y'all test done. For me, please. For yourselves.
Really him?
Oh, no.
That was really funny. Anyways, that's my reaction to When Your Stomach Growls During a Test, but with Timbuctoo characters. Alright. I gotta go now, since I got a lot of flying to do. So, see you later, everyone. Phew.